Okay, good morning children. Back with the same video for the same chapter, that is the water resources of India. Now we'll do in this particular part the conservation of water and various mechanisms, various methods which is used to conserve the water in India. Why there is a need to conserve the water? Definitely because of over exploitation, excessive use and uneven distribution of water. Mostly the water scarcity occurs because of pollution of water by domestic and industrial usage, pesticides and fertilizers used in agriculture, which makes hazardous for plant and animal. Water scarcity may also be because of the large and growing population, rural population migrating towards the urban area, industrialization, rapid urbanization. Then we have the toxic streams are there because of rapid industrialization and agricultural modernization. So, reducing per capita consumption of water, preventing wastages are effective ways of water conservation. So, there is a need to conserve the water from being wasted because water is very essential for us in all walks of life. Although water is renewable resource, the misuse of water wastage and inability to tap and hardness of water potential has resulted in growing depletion of the water resources. So, conservation of water means prevailing and controlling the depletion and degradation of water and making the best use of available water resources. There are following steps which can be used to conserve the water: developing water saving technology, preventing water from getting polluted, and promotion of watershed management, that is a watershed development, rainwater harvesting, water cycling and reuse. Now what is rainwater? Rainwater harvesting is a common question from this particular chapter which 100% is going to come. Now rainwater harvesting involves all different methods of conserving and collecting rainwater. It is the most efficient form of collection of rainwater. There are other various methods of water harvesting, rainwater harvesting and recharge of groundwater. Rainwater harvesting, the activity of collecting rainwater directly or recharging it into the ground to improve the ground storage in the aquifer. It is the most important technique for storing water and later using it during drought and dry season. In this method, the rainwater is collected on the rooftop and is directly directed to the dry tanks. Objectives of the rainwater: it recharges the groundwater, raises the level, checking the rainwater from the flowing far away so as preventing soil erosion, checking the rainwater from becoming polluted, and meeting the demands of water requirement. Rooftop rainwater harvesting. Rooftop rainwater harvesting conserving system comprises simply to replenish the groundwater and increase this level. It is collected over rooftops. You can see the figure here. It is collected over the rooftops and within our house premises and can be channelized through some small PVC pipes into the underground pits, pumps, wells or bore wells to be used by hand pump from the wells. So this is the rooftop harvesting, which is another mechanism of the rainwater harvesting. So there are also some advantages and importance of rainwater harvesting. It increases the levels of dried bore wells and wells. Surface water supply is readily available. It improves the quality of the groundwater by diluting salinity. It doesn't cause any pollution and is environment friendly. It's cost effective. It reduces soil and improves the soil moisture connectivity. Rainwater harvesting techniques are there in various states. Different states are there. Supposedly, you can call in Rajasthan, Johads, Kunds are there. In Gujarat, tanks are used. Andhra Pradesh, Cherua, Dungs in Assam, Khere in Karnataka. So rainwater harvesting techniques are named differently in different states. You can see the recharge of the groundwater. It's a new concept of rainwater harvesting. Recharge through the pump, recharge through the abandoned dug well. You can see there are pit recharges, pit recharge, trenches, dug wells and hand pumps which recharges the ground water. So this is how we can see there is a recharge of groundwater. This is the rainwater harvesting technique which has been done accordingly by different methods. Thank you children. Next we will do the exercise.